3, 2, 1, start. Taking into consideration the track record of the company, similar arrangements done with other countries in the world, and the current pandemic situation, an overall view may be taken to indemnify the company by the government officials said, but flagged that in case a view is taken to indemnify the company, similar demands may be made by other companies. As per the information furnished by Pfizer, around 116 countries in the world, including the USA, have signed the indemnification document para. Further, considering that over 14.7 crore doses of Pfizer had been administered worldwide without any significant reports of adverse effects, a view needs to be taken to indemnify the company in order to supplement the availability of vaccines in India, officials discussed at one recent meeting. At a press conference on Monday, in response to a question on states being unable to procure vaccines directly from Moderna and Pfizer, Health Ministry's Joint Secretary Love Agrawal had said whether it is Pfizer or Moderna, at the center level, we have been coordinating with them para. Also, the order book of both Pfizer and Moderna is full, so it depends on their surplus that how much they can provide in India. The COVID-19 pandemic has dramatically changed our lives. From mandatory mask wearing to safe distancing, testing, tracing, and isolating cases, we have all been doing our part for the past year in our own coronavirus special edition of Survivor to outwit, outplay, and outlast the virus para. The approval and use of the Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna vaccines by Singapore in recent months are further examples of how we are slowly adapting to counter the spread of the disease. But just as we have had to make changes to our daily lives, SARS-CoV-2 bracket open, the virus that causes COVID-19 bracket close, has also been adapting or rather mutating 2 or 3 times every month to ensure its survival para. This virus is relentless. It is very smart and is always one step ahead, said Dr. Ling, an infectious diseases physician from Rofi Clinic. Dr. Ling was a speaker at a recent webinar where she explained just how vaccines work to contain the spread of COVID-19 as well as its effects on stopping it from mutating into future, more dangerous new strains. But occasionally, errors occur when the virus reproduces, which is what a mutation is. The extent of error increases the more times the virus replicates by infecting more people, the risk of replication errors increase. Para. You would have heard about the new coronavirus strains and how the authorities are warning that they are more easily transmissible. One known as B117 was reported by the United Kingdom, while the other B1351 has spread widely in South Africa. There has also been a Brazilian strain known as P1. So why and how do mutations happen? All viruses mutate. It's part of their survival tactic, said Dr. Ling. This process takes place when a virus infects a healthy person and replicates itself in its new host. Most of the time, the mutations are small and don't affect the way the virus works.